My highlight at EU Business School on Campus Week is the company visits, the debates, and also networking with individuals from different countries.
We had a training about sustainability, there was a training about diversity and inclusion, a training about marketing strategies.
The experience in Barcelona, it gave me the courage that I may one day be able to open my own company.
The general vibe that I get from Barcelona is that it's quite hip and trendy. It was great that I got to spend it with my fellow students and just explore the city a little bit on a walking tour that we did earlier this week and see some of the highlights of the city.
I had a chance to meet all these kind of people around the world. The diversity that I found it here, it's amazing.
I would definitely recommend EU Business School to a friend, especially more matured students that have decided to open up businesses, because this allows you to have more free time to focus on your business as well as your education.